Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 Chevy Colorado. Stock number is A6449A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone Destination tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side. You do have the Z71 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed now. You have the access soft cover on back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, four-wheel drive, full stereo including a CD player, and your climate controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Colorado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.